Welcome guys to SKY-CAD-TECHNOLOGY. On this tutorial, I'm guiding you guys on how to model this 3D block. So let's get started. Let's work with the right plane, midpoint line. Let's add our dimension. Get 12. Okay. Let's make here collinear. From here to here, 34. 34. Thickness of 12. Three-point arc. Distance here to here, 10. From here to here, 44. Radius of 22. Three-point arc. Radius of 14. Ctrl Z. Let me do some adjustments. Collinear. Okay, it's okay. So we are done with the sketch. Let's extrude. Let's use a mid-plane condition. Extrude of 82. Select on this contour. So simply click on this drop down, click on sketch 1, extrude, selected contour, select here. I keep my thickness 12. So now let's fillet. Let's fillet these edges. Fillet radius of 12. So we're done with our fillet. Now let's sketch on this face. Let's add our dimension, diameter of 12. Now distance from here to this edge, 12. Also here to here, 12. Now let's mirror it, because the face is symmetric. Click on mirror entities, mirror about, and select on this circle, mirror about on my construction line here. Now let's go to features, extruded cut, our cut condition through all boats. Let me edit our sketch 1. Let's make here symmetric, here and here. I hold down my control and I click collinear. Okay, I close it up. So we're having this. Auto 7. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.